welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my self-care pamper routine where I'll be getting my nails done, my root touch-up, my hair care, body care, waxing and much more. So let's get started. First thing first, we'll be getting my nails done and I'll be sharing the picture over here. That's my nails inspo, and this time I just wanted very summerish vibe, and the color I've thought of is yellow, orange or pink. And yeah, only thing I'm very afraid of is the color of my hand is a bit darker than the color of my entire body, so I don't know how will it turn out to be, but I'm very hopeful that it will turn out to be the best. So yeah, with that positive note, we'll be getting into it. So yeah guys, I got my nails done and this is how it looks like. I know the references which I showed you guys is nowhere close to the design I got on my nails, but I will tell you the reason behind it. So the reason was I wanted a specific color and that was yellow. So they told me that the aura nails which I wanted, they were only not pretty sure that how will it turn out to be because they have not done in a while. So we mutually decided that I'll go for a French tip with the different color, blue and pink, and flowers on my middle finger as well as on my ring finger. And I think they did a pretty decent job and I am happy about it. There are no complaints and I got compliments from many people, so I think my job is done. So yeah guys, this was about my nails and now we'll go, and now it's a high time that I get my waxing done. Chalo chale. Hi guys, so it's the another day and I got my waxing done yesterday and I feel so good, so rejuvenated. Feels like that my all hair are removed and I feel so light, I hope that all my girls can understand this feeling. Now I have to get my root touch up done, but before that I have to oil my hair because my hair is feeling very frizzy and dry lately. As I have also showed you, I have lots and lots of my gray hair grows. I usually get it colored because I don't like it the otherwise. So yeah, before I head out, let's do oiling quickly. Hi guys, so it's the same night and it's 12:25 a.m. and trust me, I'm feeling really sleepy and really tired, but because I have an event to attend tomorrow, I will not have enough time, so I thought of doing the skincare at this time. So let's get started. First thing first is our priorities. Always protect your hair while doing your skincare or makeup. So guys, the first step is that I'm applying a very simple, basic yet so effective DIY mask. That is nothing but basin, some bit of haldi and curd. You can also put aloe vera, though I did not put it, and just keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Just see how your face gets dried quickly, and once you see that dried face, just scrub it off and wash it off with the normal water and you can see the instant difference. Now, second step is the facial grooming, that is shaving my face. While shaving it, I accidentally removed all the hair near the ear, which I regretted later, but I had no other option. So now I'm removing all the excess hair from my face and then after that I'm washing it off. Just look at the face, you feel so good after removing all the facial hair. Now the third step is that I'm applying clay mask, and trust me, this is one of the best clay mask. It smells heaven, and this is in the color purple. It is looks so aesthetic, and trust me, it gives you the cooling sensation. So just keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes. Just see how your face gets dried quickly, and after that just wash it off with the normal water, and you feel so refreshed. Now guys, we are moving on to one of the most optional step, and that is to remove your blackheads or white hair. Now some people like doing it and some they don't prefer doing it, but I would urge you guys to inculcate this step to remove your blackhead. It will help you to unclog your pores, which is very essential step in your skincare routine. And after doing it, I am washing it off with the normal water, and just look at the skin difference. So now moving on to the final step. So guys, next step is that I'm applying a sheet mask. So this was the mask which was with me from a very long time, and I thought of giving it a try, and trust me guys, this is one of the best thing I did, and it actually nourishes your skin. Now keep it for around half an hour, or like see how quickly your face gets dried or your skin has already absorbed the moisturizer, and then after that just look at the difference. Now I'm removing it in front of you, and just see how your skin feels really plumpy and dewy, moisturized, and just massage the leftover serum into your skin, and you will get that glow, that girl glow. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Good night, bye, like, share and subscribe.